Hello again, YouTube painting friends. This is Annalise. I am working on still trying to get a painting that is inspired by kind of Halloween decoration colors with a black background. So I've prepped this 12 by 12 canvas with black around the edges. I am going to be using the Artist Loft Mars Black as my main background color. And yes, I am checking the consistency of my colors this time. Hopefully we don't have a repeat of the last one. Although the video I did before this was with my little guy. He wanted one that looked like the same colors as his race car, so I let him do it. So I don't know if you caught that one. I'll link that for you. Should probably be somewhere in this area. So I'm gonna do this one with metallic purple. I'm gonna use this lime green, which is actually green yellow from Artist Loft. I'm also going to be using orange from Artist Loft, and I think that's it. I really am not planning to do any other colors. No white layering this time. I kind of want to see what happens with this mainly being the black with these other colors. And you get to come along for the ride. I don't know if while I'm doing this kind of stuff, if you guys are hearing crickets while I'm ever so gently spreading paint. It's rare that you catch me being this quiet. Always. Well, usually I have something to say. Another thing I'd like to request, please, 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 leave me a comment on this video. This is how I'm learning about this medium and, you know, really about art in general. I've never been crafty or good at, terrible at drawing. Oh my gosh, you should see something. If I try to draw something that actually looks like something, oh, it's horrible. Oh, just a nightmare. So, really what I'm looking for is suggestions, comments, even if it's constructive criticism, by all means, hit me with your best shot. That's what I'm doing here. So, all right, I'm gonna start layering. Going in with the metallic purple. Oof. I almost don't know if I need the orange. Those two together look amazing. Getting that. Oh, I got a lot of purple in the bottom. I did that the last time too. I put too much, my first layer, I put too much in the bottom of the cup. I'm afraid it's gonna get lost, but it doesn't. I am gonna put some black in here too. I did put a couple of drops of silicone in this cup. There's none individually in any of the colors, but there is some in the cup. so hopefully I'll get some better cells. I know everybody says, oh, you get cells with just the Floetrol. A little. They're never that impressed with the cells that I'm getting when I just use the Floetrol water and paint. All right, gonna crisscross. All right, let's see what happens. Well, I'm getting the color combination I was looking for. Let's see how it stretches out. That orange and green is kind of muddy and I don't know, maybe not. I think. I don't know. Get rid of that right there. Let me pull this back. How many of you are yelling right now? Stop! No! What are you doing? I find myself doing that when I'm watching other people, but for some reason, when I got my hands on one, it's hard to look at it from another perspective sometimes. So I'm going to stop right there. What do you think? Should I have poured more? Poured off less? Let me know, please. Comment. I've uploaded several videos just the last few days because I ran out of storage space. And so every one I do, I make a video of. And then once I make a video, I post it now so that I can see later. I can go back and look and say, oh, that's what I did there. Oh, that was that color mixed with that, you know. I don't want to break up that orange too much there. I like it. Is it too muddied over there? You know, I think I almost would have liked it more if I hadn't poured the corners. I spent so much time trying to get rid of the corners that now I wish I hadn't done it. I don't know. Kind of looks like a stingray to me, maybe. I like this. These little cracks here, I like those. I don't know, what do you think? Please leave me a comment. I would really appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching and giving me your feedback. That's really, really helpful to me. If you do, I would love it. Thanks so much, you guys.